Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mesut. Today I make CWP7 to CWP7 migration. Now I have a two server. I need my plan. I'm changed to new server migration all accounts. Now dialog new server. This here old server. Okay. First step. Admin dashboard. Inside user account CWP to CWP migration. So, do you need server IP address? My old server IP address. I will write IP address, user root, password. I will write password, SSH port, PIK CWP. I'm open old server. Admin dashboard, left side, search API. I'm open API manager. Inside, do you look? This open the port firewall 2304. Allow new IP address. Name A. IP origin is %. K code generate is copy, and I'm back the new server past. And do you need CWP to CWP admin server? I'll click, and other I'm check. It's okay, no problem. Okay, so I'm create. Now I'm copy port number. I'm back to server, and I need check test. Now test is failed. First step, I'm open old server firewall disabled. Other step, I'm open new server firewall, open firewall disabled. Okay, now I'm again test. Okay, it's success. I'm click server IP address, all accounts. I'm check website, emails, copy home directory, copy database, and I need all accounts and one package. I'm click one package, and I'm all click accounts and start migration. I'm wait migration. Okay, now package complicate transfer. Migration success letter change the DNS server name. transfer completed for migration. Okay, thank you so much, guys. See you later. Bye.
For everything that I hoped for, everything that I feel.